And welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin Kathleen. If you're new here, well, welcome to the both of us, because so am I. But if you're a returning subscriber, I can't thank you enough. And yeah, but if you are not a returning subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, and also hit this thumbs up like button. Anyway, if you guys like this eye look, it's super simple, super quick, super easy. Please stay tuned. I also did just pair it with this pop of color on the lip with Junebug by Kylie Cosmetics. So yeah, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Let's get to the video. Okay, so as you can see, I did my face makeup already. I really wanted this look or this video just to be basically on the eyes and the lips. So today we're gonna use the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're just gonna do like a super quick and easy everyday type of eye look. And then I'm going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick in Junebug, as a pop of color. I really like the simple eyes with a bright lip. But otherwise you can do a neutral lip and make this a really everyday type of look. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to be taking my Sigma E35 blending brush, and then I'm going to go in with my Sun-Kissed bronzer by Physicians Formula. It's the butter bronzer. This is what I use to bronze up my face. Well, one of the things. I also used my Hoola bronzer, but right now I'm just gonna use this. It's gonna be you don't have to worry about being precise with this. This is gonna be our actual base, just to kind of tie in the face with the eyes a little more, but also it's just a nice little transition. And if you see me looking this way, I'm sorry, I have a mirror over there. So that is why. Okay, so nothing crazy, obviously. Next, because I don't know, I think I lost my sheet with that. We're gonna go in with this color right here, this one, with that same brush, and just kind of deepen up that. It's gonna be a super easy look. And kind of pull it out, you know? Pull out the wing. Didn't make sense. Pull out and wing it out the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna just go back in and mix these two together. So I'm of a volunteer, whatever. This is just clean. At the YMCA, and I'm a big sister mentor there, and we had an opportunity to put our names in to possibly win Taylor Swift tickets, and so we did. We entered the drawing, and I just found out that we actually got it. So me and her are going to be going to the Taylor Swift concert on Friday, which is super exciting. I'm gonna do a whole, get ready with me, I believe. I'm gonna try. I'm not actually quite sure. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and do that. I think it'll be so fun. I probably won't do much vlog footage because I don't know how that all fits in with, the whole privacy part. But anyway, okay, so I'm gonna go in with this one and this one. Just kind of mixing the two and tapping it off because you don't want like too crazy excess. And I'm gonna put this actually like in the crease. We're gonna darken up the crease and like just kind of more precise darken it, you know. But yeah, so that'll be super fun. I used to really love Taylor Swift, like when she was, I'm also gonna be dragging this to make kind of a wing, like on this outer. So I used to really like Taylor Swift back when she was more of a country singer. I feel is like when I really liked her. But like obviously she's had really good songs since then. I think she's like a really talented artist. Like she writes a lot of her own songs and everything, so that's pretty great. I just kind of cleaned the end of this brush off, and I just am gonna kind of go back in and start to like swirl. Not really windshield, I mean kind of windshield, but you're also doing like little whirls, you know, as you're blending it out. Then we're gonna go back and forth with those, like the bigger transition and then that deeper shade, just to make sure you like how it looks. So if you guys like Taylor Swift, comment down below, like this video. You know, I personally think that like I do like her. It's not really a question if I do or don't. It's like, but obviously I feel like there's people that I would rather see, but we got these free tickets, you know, and my little sister, like, who's not actually my little sister, if that, you know, she's from a mentee program, and that's what they're called, is like, it's basically Big Brother Big Sister, but with the Y. So I'm gonna go back in with my butter bronzer and just like kind of willy-nilly it in the bottom, because I have creases under there, and I like it when it's a little farther down. And we're gonna just connect the winged V shadow with the bronzer. Okay, and now I'm going to take the other side of that brush, this side, and I'm gonna go in with the two darker shades. We're gonna just like stick that closer, like to the lash line at first. Keep it closer, like keep it more at the outer point of the eyeball. So do you guys watch 90 Day Fiancé? Because that's what I'm like watching right now, or that's what was on, you know, and I actually love this show. Okay, so see, that looks kind of crazy, but we're just gonna like, obviously, blend that. Blend that. And I'm gonna darken up that outer corner one last time. And don't worry if it looks weird or crazy when you're patting it on, because you're gonna blend it out. So. Okay, so with this clean side, I'm just gonna kind of go in with this one for my shade and light and just kind of whoosh it around here. I've never actually used those from the Shade and Light palette as like a actual, like what they're meant for, you know, like a setting, highlighting type of powder. You know what I mean? Like, never. And now, again with this port, I'm gonna just kind of take that same color from the Shade and Light palette, this one, and I'm just gonna kind of go right in here to open up the eye a little more. And then clean off this side and just kind of drag it. And now, because I used the Nicole Glow Kit on my face, I'm gonna just use the colors Forever Young, Glow Getter, and 143. I kind of just like to mix all three of them. And then I'm gonna just, at the very top of my eyebrow, do that. All right, and now I'm going, so that's the eyeshadow. Probably gonna just never stop blending it. But I am gonna go and put on some like just cat wing liner. I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Paris 12-Hour Infallible, the Super Slim Liner in the color Black Noir. And then I'm gonna, for lashes, I'm also gonna stick on some lashes. I believe they are the little black dress lashes from Kiss. I could be wrong. They could be my lashes that I got from my BoxyCharm. I think it was June's BoxyCharm. I honestly don't know because I don't keep the package. Like they're together, but they're not in anything. All right, so I'm gonna go do that, and then we will be back to finish off with the lips. Okay, so as you can see, I did put my hair up. I just put it in a pony and then braided it just like that, and then put some hair down. But yeah, so now that we are back, we are going to be doing our lips, and this is the color Junebug by Kylie Cosmetics. I have not used this color yet. Pretty excited. I actually really like this color. Okay, so I'm gonna go change, and then I'm gonna come back and finish off. All right, so this is the final result. I obviously glammed it up a little bit with the winged liner and the eyelashes, and then the pop of color on the lips. You definitely wouldn't need to get that crazy. You could do like a nude lip, just mascara on the eyes, and you're good to go. So that's what I love about like quick and easy eye looks like that. It's just very versatile, looks good either way. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for my BoxyCharm video featuring this look as well. I'm actually gonna get up the August BoxyCharm in August, so I'm ahead of the game this time. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whenever it is, wherever you're watching this. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.